he'll get a swelled head.
Look. It's too late. It's too late.
We'll return to Sea Monkeys after these messages.
Stop it, you were the handsomest sea monkey.
I do have the biggest antennae.
I think that you're going to be a big, big star. You're going to be a star. Dave Seaman, a big, big
star. I must be famous. I'm hanging out with Howie Mandel.
You know, Dave, it's great hanging out with you.
Oh, man. Remember when this happened back with him in the fishbowl? Remember he got so conceited that he lost all of his friends? Do you think that's going to happen to us?
Are you kidding? We're his brothers, not just his friends. He'd never really mistreat us. Yes, sir.
Oh, this is disgusting!
But this is peanut butter and jelly. This is your favorite.
Yes, but that's domestic peanut butter and jelly. Now I only eat imported.
And kind of fluff them out.
Oh, wow. Well, I've never been so frightened in all my life. Oh.
I can't keep waiting on this Dave guy hand and foot. It's getting me nuts.
You said it, bro. I'm not doing any favors for him.
I hope that I don't run into him. That's so all things for Dave.
Dump, monkey! Action! Incredible! Cut!
That does it, Dave. You may be my brother, but I quit.
Me too.
You can't quit.
Why not?
Because you're fired!
We will return to Sea Monkeys after these messages. Sea Monkeys! Whoa!
The teenage life can be so cool. Hey, guys. Well, you're a duet. Where's Dave?
Dave who?
Oh, you know Dave, our brother.
Oh, forget about that. Remember, we're not talking about Dave because we're angry at him.
Oh,
Forget
right.
about him.
Guys, I've never seen you so mad. What did Dave do?
Dave who?
Forget about the Dave who thing, will you please?
Okay. Well, that Dave, he got a part in a movie, and he got a real swell head, and then he hired us to work for him, and then he fired us, and I'm never going to speak to him again.
You said it, bro.
All right. Now, let me get this straight. Bill, you're never going to talk to the guy who taught you how to drive a bubble-mobile?
Well, that was kind of nice.
Aquarius, you're never going to talk to the guy who gave you your favorite T-shirt. What about that time in the fishbowl when Dave camped out all night long to get you guys tickets to the Tito Puente concert? Never want to talk to him again, huh? I think you miss him.
Whoa. I miss Dave. The old one. The one with the little head.
Little head.
Will you watch what you're doing? You're getting makeup all over me.
Sorry, sir, but I seem to need a lot more makeup for you than I did before.
I must say, you look marvelous.
Dave! You need on set right away.
Oh, yes.
Dave, glad you're here. There's something different about you. I can't quite place it. Must be the shirt. Now, you see what Dave, is it just me, or has your head actually gotten bigger?
It's you.
Very well. Start the bedroom scene! Get away from there. Okay, Dave, now trust me. Look, the actors are garbage. I'm the director. I make you. Wait for the word swamp thingamajig. That's your cue. When you hear swamp thingamajig, you burst through the window. And action!
Maybe I left my keys in here somewhere. Wherever they are. I sure hope that I don't run into that swamp thingamajig. I sure hope that I don't run into that swamp thingamajig.
Cut! I sure hope I don't run into that swamp thingamajig. Just keep your shirt on, Toots. I'm coming. All right, what the? Cut!
Dave?
Is there a problem? I don't know what you're talking about, man. Ow! Ow!
Hey, guys, look at your antennae.
Right now, I'm picking up Dave's signal.
And right now, he's one hurting sea monkey.
Who do I blame this on?
Them.
You're fired!
That felt good.
We're coming,
I have an announcement to make. I am not happy!
You know, Dave, that was not a good career move.
What are you blubberpusses doing here? I thought I fired you!
Let's size up the situation. Okay, 15 and a quarter. Thank you. 11. I know, we'll cut him down to size. You know, insult him.
Insult him, but Dave's our brother.
I know it's tough, but in times like this, you gotta have toughness, you gotta have strength, and you have to have courage. You do it.
Dave, I've got something to tell you.
Out with it, man! I'm a big star. I haven't got all day.
Dave, you're not a nice person.
Oh.
That ought to do it.
Dave, what he was trying to say is that, well,
You're a pumpus-dossiment!
A pompous is the worst thing you can call a sea monkey. It's like if somebody would call you a guy with a neck that's made out of cheese with a sock in it.
A pumpus-dossiment? No way! A pumpus-dossiment thinks he's the coolest thing on two webbed feet. Hey, I'm the coolest thing on two webbed feet. Well, so you got me there. But a pumpus-dossiment makes people wait on him hand and foot.
Well, here's a list you gave us to go run errands for you.
It's not so bad.
That's just the morning.
So I'm not perfect. Who is? But a real Pomposophimus is mean to his friends, or worse of all, to his brothers.
Thanks, guys. I feel a lot better now. Bummer, man. I think we went a little too far.
As far as Pomposophimus go, you're the best.
Dave, is that you?
Brilliant! Just kidding. Thanks, bros. Thanks. It's good to be back to normal again. I'm sorry for being such a Pomposophimus. Do you think you have it in your hearts for a little sea monkey squeeze?
Finally, the moment I've been waiting for. You're fired! Hey! Put that down! What's going on here? It could have been a plastic film! I don't need you! I don't need any of you! No! My masterpiece! Everything's ruined! I'm ruined! Boy, I'm a good actor. I'm ruined! I can't take it! I am not working on the sequel.
Being a movie star was dripping, but it's much more fun hanging with you guys.
Let's say we never fight ever again.
Yeah.
Right on.
Hey, Phil, could I have some of your guacamole?
No!
I want some too.
Hey, cool it! We're not gonna fight over a little guacamole now, are we? Yes!